give thanks. Fine wife to the left. Haircut, rent paid. Why God keep blessing? He don't ever take a L. So why I keep stressing? W's on swole. Okay, God keep flexing. Yeah. Mama told me, all the time. God is good. All the time. Mama told me, all the time. God is good.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I have another great tutorial for you guys that I think you're gonna love. We're gonna be doing a sleek low ponytail with a spin. So you're gonna need some gold thread for this tutorial. You're also gonna need a crochet needle. And also these are just some options. I have floral wire that I have on a jute cord wrapping, but this I got from Dollar Tree, and these are just some accessories that you can use. I didn't go with the cross, I ended up going with the leaf, and I'll show you all these later on in the tutorial. You will need some gel. Use whatever gel works for you. This is Eco Styler in the pink container, and y'all, we're going to be using the Hergivenhair Drawstring Ponytail that gives me all kind of life. This ponytail is gorgeous. It's in the Coily texture. I do have it in length 18. It has 2 combs and also a drawstring in order to secure it onto your ponytail. As you can see, my hair is not the longest, so we need some added length, and that's gonna hook your girl up. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair, doing some braids in the front. I am gonna do a skinny braid down the center, and then I'm gonna begin to add larger braids on the other side. I'm going to moisturize my hair first, and then I'm going to begin to apply the gel. I'm going to let you all watch this process, and then I'll come back on.
Love yourself, love yourself. I finally found something for my pedestal. I take everything for granted till I let it go. All that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't gold. All that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't gold. It's more than glitter. 24. Can y'all consider plenty more that I can dig up? I get the bag and I'ma deliver. You getting mad, then that's your dilemma. I can't even brag, I'm still a beginner. A bucket of crabs is looking for dinner. I do what I have to come in for W's. I am a winner. They gotta crown me. Felt kinda lost till I found me. Mama said keep love around me. I came my shut up in a brownie. I'm a proud city of greatness. They doubted I could've made it. They doubted I could've made it. Was down and out and escaped it. A diamond, a beautiful diamond that you couldn't find if you dug up and mined it. Now must I remind you, Atlanta behind me, who is behind you? I lost a lot, but I'ma find it. Do timing, do grinding. Yeah, I'll be shining, shining, shining. Where do I reside? I'm on the east side. I'm going go for my B-sides. Backbones be that V-sign, can't deny. Why would I stress when it don't matter? Step at the step, climbing a ladder. Can't even flex, plenty more baggage. 24 carats, 24 carats. I finally found something for my pedestal. I take everything for granted till I let it go. All that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't gold. All that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't gold. The grass is greener, greener on the other side. Across the street in a heartbeat, but it's other white. All that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't gold. All that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't all that glitters ain't gold.
Alright ladies, now that our braids are done and they're looking all sleek, we're going to moisturize the sides and begin to slick this down into a ponytail. I like to apply the curl defining glaze onto my hair in order to moisturize it and also to give it a great deal of sheen. And then I'm going to begin to apply the gel, and that's really going to help to give me the hold and also the slick down that I really need for my 4B, 4C natural hair. In order to slick my hair down, I am using a boar bristle brush and following it up with a fine-tooth comb. Once my hair is as slick as I desire, I'm going to pull it taut into a low ponytail, and I'm going to be using an ouchless goodie band in order to do so. I just go in and brush as much as need be and then begin adding my ponytail holder. Now, if your hair is long enough, you won't have to add any extensions, but I like to add extensions for added flare and also to give me the volume that I need. So this is where we are currently. We got a little puff in the back, hair looking all sleek and nice. I did also apply some Got2b glue gel on top of my braids just to make sure it was even more sleek. And then I'm going to work on my baby hair before we add the lint to the ponytail. Now for my baby hair, the Got2b glue is really going to be your best friend. This is actually my go-to gel for my edges. Now, if your texture is not as kinky as mine, then you may not need to use the Got2b glue, but where I live is very humid and I have very kinky hair, as I just stated, and this really helps to keep my edges laid. After completing my baby hair in the front, I'm going to begin to work on the hair in the back. I'm going to moisturize it first and then do a large chunky twist, wrap it around and pin it down just to make sure my hair is protected. And then on top of that ponytail, or bun rather, that I've created, I'm going to begin to add my drawstring ponytail. Okay, so now it's time for us to add our Hergivenhair drawstring ponytail. This is a virgin hair extension drawstring ponytail, and this creates a very natural look. It is in the natural color. I probably should have gotten it in 1B so it would match my hair a little better. I do dye my hair black, for those who are wondering. I do also have a video on how I prep the unit and moisturize it and everything, and I also did some styles with this particular ponytail already. I'll leave it in the cards at the end, so be sure to check that out. So we're going to take the comb and just attach it to the top, and then insert the comb in the back, and then pull the drawstring, and then what's left over, you're just going to wrap it around. And you'll pin that down, and I'm not even going to worry about the drawstring hanging out or anything, so you might see that exposed because I'm going to be covering it with my gold accessory that you'll see in a moment. So this part is done after adding a bobby pin to secure the drawstring down, but I got to get a little juiced up. I'm going to go do my makeup and then come back on, and I'm going to show you all how we accessorize and take this look to the next level.
What?
Alright, so now it's time to accessorize. You can leave the style the way that it is, but I wanted to add a little bit of extra to the look. You know, we gotta be a little extra sometime. So I'm gonna be showing you all different options. I know you all saw on the thumbnail a style that I went with, and that was the final product. But in between, I did some other things to help you guys to get your little creativity going in case you don't have the accessories that I have, and maybe you want a cheaper or a different option. So I'm gonna provide those. So the gold beaded pendant accessory that you see in the front, I got that from Sam's Beauty online. It was very cheap. I believe it was like $1 for maybe like 8 of those. And then also this floral wire that you see, I got that from Dollar Tree. It comes in different colors, and you can take that and actually just wrap it around. It's in the gardening section, I believe. If this doesn't do it for you, go into your jewelry and see if you all have some bracelets that could work in the back. I found this one. I believe I got it from Forever 21. This is a gold cuff bangle bracelet, and I love the chunkiness of it. I feel like it adds flair to the look. So I added that one, and you are going to see some hair in the back that's kind of protruding out of the bangle, but I'm going to show you all later when I do the final look how to control that. Okay, so now it's time to get down to the real nitty gritty. This one is so beautiful. This is my favorite bracelet that I own. I got this one from Amazon. I searched all over to find the link for y'all, so it will be in the description box. You just need to open it up, and you first want to take a ponytail holder and wrap it around the top, and then pull it maybe about let's say about 2 or 3 inches from the start of where your ponytail holder is, your original ponytail holder is. After you've wrapped the ponytail holder around maybe 2 to 3 times, then you can actually take the bangle and place it on top, and you won't have the extra hair coming out of the bangle. How absolutely beautiful does that look? Now it's time to add the gold thread. So I'm going to be doing this using a crochet needle, and it's really easy. You want to start by making sure that the length of the gold thread is actually even. And I got my gold thread from the beauty supply store. So be sure to check your local beauty supply store for the gold thread. Walmart may even have the gold thread along with craft stores like Michael's, so check there. Now this process is rather easy. You're just going to insert the crochet needle, attach the gold thread, pull it through, go through the other side, and then you're just going to do a motion that's similar to tying your shoes. Very self-explanatory. When you get to the last row, you're actually going to go over rather than under, and the extra thread that you have, you're going to tie that and then cut with scissors. Once you've done this process, we're going to add the gold leaf accessory that I showed you all at the beginning of the video. That's the end of this tutorial on this low sleek ponytail. I hope that we got your creative juices flowing. Be sure to check the description box for the link to this particular drawstring ponytail from Hergivenhair. It's absolutely stunning. Also check my YouTube community board. I posted the giveaway winners. It'll also be provided in the description box. I love you guys. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye guys.